Very good morning, dear student. Welcome to the Stars Point. Dear student, as you know that we are discussing about the similar triangle. Today we are taking one more important theorem, that is theorem 6.6, which is very important in the chapter of the similar triangles. So today we see what is this theorem or statement of this theorem, and also we prove this theorem, and we use this theorem to solve the problem related to the triangle. So dear students, see what state this theorem and how one can prove this theorem. Let's see. So what is the statement of the theorem? This is theorem called an area of a similar triangle. The statement is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. Means if we are given two similar triangles, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides square. Clear? So how we prove this theorem, that we have to see. So as usual we know that here we are given two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Suppose this is triangle PQR, or you can say DEF, any you may take. These two triangles are given. Right? You can take vertex as the NCERT, so there may be no confusion. You can easily understand PQR. So these two triangles are given. So in given, first of all, theorem, as you know that after statement we write given. So what is given? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR such that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We are given this thing. These two triangles are similar, we are given. Now we need to prove that so what we want to prove? We want to prove that ratio of area and area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, that should be equal to the question what statement what said, the ratio of the areas of two similar. So this is the formula for ratio, or symbolically in 9th class we already said AR bracket triangle ABC. It means area of triangle ABC, and here AR bracket PQR. This means area of triangle PQR should be equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Corresponding side के रेशियो का स्क्वायर है. दो सिमिलर ट्राइंगल के एरिया का रेशियो है, वो क्या है? corresponding side के रेशियो का स्क्वायर. So that we have to write here corresponding side. Suppose here AB is given, then corresponding to AB is PQ. So its ratio is square. Then BC corresponding QR. So BC upon QR, its square. And third is AC, then it is PQ, PR. So AC upon PR, its whole square. This we want to prove. This is the two-way proof. Now to prove this, we have to write here proof. So in proof, or before that we write construction. And you know, to find the area To find the areas of triangles, we need height. So we draw A. Suppose we give name it as a AM and PN. We draw AM perpendicular on BC and PN perpendicular on QR. So dear students, see, to find the area, we have to draw the perpendicular from the vertex A to side BC and from the vertex P to the side QR. Clear? That is N. Why we draw these perpendiculars or altitude? Because to find the area, we need height and base. So base is given, we draw the height. Clear? Now you can say here, in proof write down you can write area of triangle ABC. As you know that area is 1/2 base into height. So 1/2 in the first triangle, base is BC. Clear? This is the BC. So BC and height is AB. And area of triangle PQR. Again same formula 1/2 base into height. So here in second triangle we are taking base as QR. Right? So QR is the base and corresponding height is PN. Now we want to find what their ratio of these two areas. So what will be the ratio? You can say, therefore area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. That is 1/2 BC into AB upon 1/2 QR upon PN. So that will give you BC upon QR into AB upon PN. This is equation number 1. Why? Because 1/2 divide with 1/2. So here left BC upon QR and here left AB upon PN. So we get the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So see here, we are finding the ratios of the area of triangle ABC and triangle PQR, that is BC upon QR into AB upon PN. Now you can see, as we are given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So angle B equal to angle Q. So angle B equal to angle Q, and as our construction AM perpendicular on BC and PN perpendicular on QR. So what we get? This angle AMB is equal to angle PNQ equal to 90 degree. Dear student, we are drawing the perpendicular AM and PN. So these makes 90 degree, correct? So what we get? This angle B equal to angle Q and this angle M equal to N. So by AA similarity, these small triangle are similar. So by A similarity, this triangle first small and second. Triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. Now these triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides are proportional. So as you have proved here, these small two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. But you have to take the corresponding side as our requirement. So what is our requirement? We need either BCQR or either we may need as this is BC into AM. This is here see this we have written down. This is not AB. Altitude is AM. By mistake we have written AB. This is AM. Altitude is AM. Here altitude PM. So here again you can correct this one AM. Right? So either you get BC upon QR or you take AM upon PN. So here BC upon Q are not in this triangle. So if we need AM upon PN, means we are trying to stabilizing the relationship between the sides. So you may take therefore AB upon PQ. This is AB upon PQ. This is corresponding side. Then AM upon PN equal to AM upon PN. By property of similarity, you can write here. So this is the result second. Also the triangle is similar. Which triangle? These two triangles are similar. Then we get very important result that also as triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So you may write AB upon PQ equal to BC upon PQ equal to AC upon PR. So this is result number 3rd. So now dear students, we see the three equations very carefully. Now we have to stabilize the relation between all these three. So first is what is the equation? That is a ratio of the areas. Ratio of areas is equal to BC upon QR into AM upon PN. Second one says AB upon PQ equal to AM upon PN. Third says all three sides corresponding are proportional. Now our target is to find this. Clear? So now if you see equation 1 and 3, if equation 1 and 3, AB BC upon PQ can be replaced by AB upon PQ. So here see by 1 and 3. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. That is here see BC upon QR. But this BC upon QR is equal to AB upon PQ. So you replace this AB upon PQ into AM upon PN. So equation 1 and 3rd we write. Now from equation 2nd see. From equation 2nd AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN. So this AM upon PN can be also written as AB upon PQ. Right? So see this very carefully. AM upon PN can be replaced as AB upon PQ. So what we can say, which is equal to AB upon PQ into AB upon PQ. Here write by 1, by second. From second equation, we replace AM upon PN and AB upon PQ. Now see dear student, AB upon PQ into AB upon PQ. That what we get? AB upon PQ whole square. So finally what we get? That area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ whole square. So first they proved AB upon area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB upon PQ whole square. But AB upon PQ can be replaced by BC upon PQ. Can be replaced by AB upon PQ and BC upon this is QR. I'm writing side wrong. So as you know, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR and equal to AC upon PR. So this AB upon PQ square can be also written as BC upon QR square, can be written as AC upon PR square. So by third and this result we prove this, or you can say this is fourth one. So at last you write by third and fourth we get what we get. See, fourth part say area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. This is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB upon PQ square. AB upon PQ square. But AB upon PQ can be written as BC upon QR, so it will be BC upon QR. It can be equal AC upon PR, so hence proved. At last to write this. This we have to write. So I am using the theorem. Theorem what says that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is always equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So we are given triangle ABC and triangle PQR. तो आपको दो ट्राइंगल दे रखा है, ट्राइंगल ABC और ट्राइंगल PQR, और दोनों ही ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है। तो सिमिलर है तो दो बातें हमारे दिमाग में आ गई कि उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल है वो इक्वल होंगे और करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड से वो प्रोपोर्शनल है। तो दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ कह दिया कि ये करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल B इक्वल टू Q है। इसी की हमको जरूरत है, बाकी की जरूरत नहीं है। और दूसरी बात हमने कहा ये ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है तो इनकी तीनों साइड आपस में प्रोपोर्शनल होगी। अब हमको प्रूव क्या करना है? एरिया रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ रेशियो ऑफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड। साइड करस्पॉन्डिंग होनी चाहिए, AB की करस्पॉन्डिंग PQ है, BC की QR है और AC की PR। इसको प्रूव करने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? हाइट चाहिए, तो हमने इसके परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर दिए AM एंड PM। अब इसका एरिया हम निकाल सकते हैं, छोटी क्लास में आपने पढ़ा एरिया ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल इज 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट। तो यहाँ 1/2 बेस आपका BC है, हाइट है वो AM है। दूसरे ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकालोगे तो बेस QR हो गया, हाइट PN होगी। तो दूसरे का एरिया हमने निकाल दिया 1/2 बेस QR हो गया, हाइट PN। अब इन दोनों का रेशियो का मतलब डिवाइड करना, दोनों को डिवाइड लगा दिया तो 1/2 से 1/2 डिवाइड हो गया, बाकी क्या बच गया? BC अपॉन QR और AM अपॉन PN। अब ये AM अपॉन PN अपने को हटाना है क्योंकि इसका स्क्वायर चाहिए अपने को। तो ये AM अपॉन PN कब हटेगा? जब AM अपॉन PN, यानी छोटे ट्राइंगल को सिमिलर करो। अब इन दो ट्राइंगल को आपको सिमिलर करना है, तो सिमिलर ऑलरेडी है क्योंकि एंगल B है वो Q की इक्वल है, दोनों बड़े ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है। और सेकेंड ये 90 डिग्री है क्योंकि हमने हाइट ड्रॉ की। तो बाय A similarity these two triangle are similar. Now these two triangle are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. तो AB upon PQ आ गया, AM upon PN, राइट। अब हमारा जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है और थर्ड है उसको हम कंपेयर करेंगे और BC upon QR की जगह AB upon PQ। AB upon PQ क्यों ले रहे हैं? क्योंकि यहाँ हमारा रिलेशन AB upon PQ के बराबर आया है। तो AB अपॉन PQ किसके बराबर है? BC अपॉन QR। इसका मतलब आप डायरेक्ट भी कह सकते हो BC upon QR can be written as AM upon PM. So here AB upon BC upon QR can be replaced by AB by PQ और AM upon PM की जगह भी AB upon PQ. तो दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे AB by PQ, दैट इज AB upon PQ होल स्क्वायर. तो ये रेशियो का फर्स्ट साइड आ गया. सेकंड करने के लिए तीनों साइड आपस में प्रोपोर्शनल है. तो AB upon PQ की जगह BC upon QR और AC upon PM. So in this way, dear student, one can prove the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Correct? So in this way, we have to prove this theorem. Now we see how we use this theorem in solving the problems related to triangle. In the given figure, the line segment XY, the line segment XY is parallel to AC. This line is parallel to AC side of the triangle. Side of triangle ABC. And it divides triangle into two equal. And it divides triangle into two equal parts. Equal area equal. You may write in this way, divide the triangle into two parts of equal area. Two parts of equal area. With area of two triangle equal, find the ratio. Find the ratio of the side AX by AB. That we want to find. So here we use this theorem. So see solution. Here XY parallel to AC. So their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding means with this angle. Therefore, angle BXY is equal to angle BAC and angle BYX equal to angle BCA. These are the corresponding angles. We know that two lines are parallel, then their corresponding angles are equal. So BXY means this angle equal to BAC and angle BYX is equal to BCA. So these two triangles are similar. So you can say by A similarity. Triangle BXY is similar to triangle BAC. Right? These two triangles are similar. Clear? Or you may write order in this way, or triangle ABC. Now ABC means XBY. XBY. If you are writing triangle ABC similar to triangle XBY. Now by theorem, what we have learned here, theorem 6.6. If the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the area of these two triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So what we can say, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XBY. So as our requirement, because all three sides ratio is square equal, but we take that side which we need. Clear? So we have to need the AB आपको चाहिए, so corresponding AB is XB. So AB upon XB. We are taking only one side's ratio only. For both triangle, one side. AB upon BC only. Now also we are given Now what given? It divides triangle into two parts of equal area. Means this line XY divide area of this triangle and area of this part is equal. Small triangle and this part area is equal. It means what we can say? The area of this whole triangle is twice the area of the similar triangle, smaller triangle XBY. इसका मान लो 5 है, इसका भी 5 है, तो पूरे ट्राइंगल का कितना हो गया? 10 हो गया। तो ये 10 है और ये 5 है, तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC is twice the area of triangle XBY. This is given. So you may write here area of triangle ABC equal to twice area of triangle XBY. Or if you want to write in terms of ratios, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XBY is equal to 2 by 1. Area of cross multiply, we are interchanged to this side. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XBY equal to 2 by 1. So now by 1 and 2, for both the result by 1 and 2 we get. So what we get? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XBY can be replaced by 2 upon 1. So AB upon XB whole square. So AB upon whole square can be written as 2 by 1. Or square remove. So AB upon XB equal to root of 2 by 1. That is root 2 you can write simply. So AB upon XB we get root 2 by 1. But we need what? This. So if you write XB upon AB, because this is in the form of proof, we need denominator as AB. So AB is the numerator. So interchange the numerator and denominator on the left side. Then on the right side also we have to change the numerator and denominator. Clear? So now still we what get XB upon AB is 1 upon root 2. Now see, we need AX. So what is AX? AX is the whole side minus BX. So whole minus part. So from each part we are subtracting from 1. Clear? We need the whole minus part. So that will give AX. So these two sides we are differentiating or we are subtracting from 1, like 1 minus XB upon AB and 1 minus 1 upon root 2. Both sides we have to subtract from 1. दोनों को ही हमने 1 में से कर दिया, लेफ्ट साइड को भी 1 में से माइनस किया, राइट को भी 1 से, the value remains 10. So take LCM AB minus XB upon AB root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. So now from figure C, AB minus XB, that is AX upon AB equal to root 2 minus 1 upon. So this is the answer. AB minus XB. What left? AX. So we get. So in this example, we learned how to use the triangle similar theorem. Clear? Very important or very easy. We are given XY parallel to AC. So their corresponding angles are equal. If corresponding angles are equal, means in the triangle ABC and triangle XBY, there are two angles are equal. Then by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. And two triangles are similar, then we use theorem of similarity or triangle area of, we have to see. So ratio of the area of two similar triangles, that is ABC upon XBY equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Correct? Then we see here this part is also given, the area of triangle ABC is twice the area of this. Why? Because it is given XY, divide it into two equal parts. So area of this small triangle or this part are equal. So whole area of triangle ABC equal to twice of area of XBY, that is 2 by 1. So here we put this 2 by 1. Taking square root on the right side, we get root. So we get the ratio of AB upon XB, but we need AX upon AB. So further we solve, interchanging the numerator and denominator, 1 upon root 2, XB upon AB. But here still we are not getting the numerator. So to get the numerator, we have separate these both sides from 1. 1 में से दोनों को separate कर दीजिए, LCM लीजिए और आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. Right? So in this way, we can find this. Now one exercise question number 5C, that we have to see. Very easy example is given. Say let triangle ABC similar to triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, and their area be respectively. और एरिया आपको दे रखा है, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC 64 and area of triangle DEF is 121 centimeter square. Then EF is 15.4. EF equal to 15.4. Then find. So we use direct theorem here. Then find BC. So you have to find the BC. So triangle in solution you write triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So by theorem 6.6 what says area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equal to corresponding sides ratio BC upon EF. We take only 2. Now as our requirement we want EF is given and BC. So you take these two. So a ratio of area is given. So area of triangle ABC 64, area of triangle DEF 121, BC square you have to find. EF is given. Cross multiply and you get the answer. So in this way we get the ratio of the area. Or for easy calculation, square move to this side. So square root of this BC upon 15.4. So this is 11. 8 upon 11 BC upon 15.4. So from this you get BC as 15.4 into 8 by 11. So 11 1 ja 0.4. So multiply 8, 32, 11. So 11.2 is the required. So dear student, in this way one can find the sides if we are given the ratio or if we are given the area of the triangle. So dear student, this is all about today's class. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and to be continue with us for more videos.